Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we trigger an integration using Workflow. This time, we're raising a support ticket in Zendesk. First, consider why your organisation might need to build an automation process. In this example, we've modified functionality found in the offboarding template. Focusing on the offboarding request model. For illustrative purposes, we are not using the offboarding journey functionality. Using a workflow with a trigger integration action, we've created an automatic process for raising a support ticket in Zendesk when an employee's manager approves their resignation request. You might choose a different purpose or application for your configuration. To make the most of this tutorial, you'll need a basic understanding of models, workflows, pages, form blocks, and integrations. Check out our handy resources on these topics on the knowledge base and YouTube channel. The offboarding template contains the offboarding request model. This model contains two foreign key property types that become relevant later in the tutorial: leaving reason to the leaving reason model, and person to the person model. The template also contains the thinking of leaving page. Select Decision Made to open the Decision Made page in a modal window. Here we've altered the text in line with our modified configuration. We wanted to raise a support ticket when a manager approves a resignation request, so we first had to create a workflow for the offboarding request model. We set this workflow to trigger on form submissions, found the requesting employee's manager, created an approval task for them, and followed up on the Yes branch with a trigger integration action. This is going to link to the recipe. Before we move to the next step, ensure you have a working connection to your Applaud tenant using the Applaud connector. If you need a reminder on how to do this, check out our handy resources. At this point in the process, we needed to create a connection to our desired third-party application. To do this, head to the Integration section from Admin Home. Head to the Assets tab and select Create, then Connection. Search for the app you would like to connect to. We use Zendesk. Choose a name for your connection, then select a location. Complete any other necessary fields and select Connect. Now head back to Assets and select Create again. This time select Recipe. Enter a name and location for your recipe. Then pick a starting point. In this example, we chose Trigger from an app. Choose your trigger app and event. Then configure the steps you want to happen from there using actions. This is our completed recipe. Some of the properties we needed for the support ticket content were foreign key types, so we had to add search actions to the original models to retrieve the data. Without the search actions, we would be presented with the IDs in the support ticket rather than the data how you see it in Applaud. Here is a finished configuration for the ticket we raised in Zendesk. To show you how this works, we're submitting a resignation request using Mark Fisher. Make sure you have activated your workflow and started your recipe. Mark's manager, Veronica Boyle, receives an approval task. Once Veronica approves a request, the integration workflow action is triggered, starting the recipe. The recipe then opens a support ticket on Zendesk. This appears exactly how we designed it in the Raise a Support Ticket recipe action. Congratulations, you successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.